You'll be the same 5 years from now as you are today, except for the people you meet, the books you read, the stories you listen to, and the scripture you hide in your heart. Hi, I'm Mark Camby, founder and president of Lamplighter Ministries and Lamplighter Theater. Since 2009, Lamplighter Theater has been broadcasting on a weekly basis, now on over 1,700 radio stations in 28 countries. This is truly a miracle. And now we're almost there to become a daily broadcast. This excites me because I know I'll hear more stories about countless children coming to know Jesus after they hear Teddy's Button, or stories like you're about to hear from a teacher from India.
I am a teacher from India and do not have words to describe what Lamplighter means to me. I treasure these God-sent stories like a person staggering on a parched wilderness road who finds a wineskin of precious water. My eyes are filled with tears every time I listen to a Lamplighter story, and my heart yearns for others here to learn these truths. Our morals have vanished into thin air. Children and Christian young adults are committing suicide. Sir, do you see how desperately we need Lamplighter? I request you to please, by the mercies of God, consider setting up a Lamplighter branch here in India. Everyone needs to hear these dramas on radio. This is an SOS to you from this pagan land. There is no time left, sir. I plead with you. Please do not delay.
With your help, we can reach tens of millions more who will also abandon their spiritual crutches for a love that will never fail. With the production of just 8 more dramas, we can begin airing Lamplighter Theater as a daily broadcast. We're that close. The cost to produce 8 more dramas is a little less than $1 million, but this isn't a roadblock, it's an opportunity. And I'm convinced that there's nothing impossible with God. That's why we've launched our Lamplighter Theater Donate for 8 campaign. We're looking for 1,000 families to partner with us over a period of 16 months to accomplish this goal. Your monthly gift of $50 or a one-time gift will be the bread and fish that God can use to multiply this to make this become a reality. In a world that is quickly spiraling out of control in violence and immorality, Lamplighter Theater has a proven record to be a tool in the hands of a living God to change hearts and souls for eternity. Please prayerfully consider partnering with us today. As our way of saying thank you, you'll be the first to receive the dramas as they're produced. The first 2 are already in post-production, Titus, A Comrade of the Cross, and Jessica's Journey. I can't wait till you hear them. They're the most powerful redemptive stories I've ever heard in my life. With your help, we can start Hand on the Bridle, Christie's Old Organ, The Lamplighter, and Frozen Fire immediately. Soon after, we can begin production on Trapped Beneath the Surface, Dashed to Pieces, Prisoners of the Sea, and True to the Last. The information on our website will guide you the rest of the way. As a reminder of our calling, the Apostle Paul wrote to the Corinthians that there was a great and effective door for service, and there were many adversaries. With your gifts and prayers, we'll be able to rescue many who have been taken captive by Satan at his will, and save souls from death and hide a multitude of sins for generations to come. I look forward to seeing our combined faith and works rescue the souls of men, women, and children around the world as they see God do exceedingly abundantly above all that we can ask or think. God bless you. I'm Mark Camby. To be part of the 1,000 families that will enable Lamplighter Theater to become a daily broadcast, reaching millions more with God's life-changing word, go to lamplighter.net, donate for 8, and partner with us today. It's time to turn some darkness into light.